Hey guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wild Survival. And surviving is what I've more or less barely been doing lately. I wanted to touch base with my regular viewers as well as some of my new subscribers so that you know that the channel is not shutting down or that I've lost interest. So a couple of months ago, I got bit by a spider known as a brown recluse. Since then, I just haven't had the energy to do very much. Simple things tend to tire me out. My allergies went haywire. It's almost like it almost shut down my immune system. It severely hampered my metabolism. Just it's been horrible. I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. But I mean, hey, on the bright side, I didn't get COVID, so I don't know. There's a silver lining, I guess. I am starting to recover. I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to heal again, which was a problem. I've had all these sores breaking out, and it was pretty disgusting. I found a few videos here and there that I didn't post before, either because I didn't really like how they kind of turned out, or I completely forgot about them and they were on an SD card somewhere. As I'm feeling better, I'm sort of cleaning up and I'm straightening things. What's that word? Putting everything to order. And I'm finding some of these things, so I've been able to kind of throw up the odd video here and there, but for a little over a month, I just didn't have the energy to do anything. Even going to get a drink of water was tiring to me. So I apologize for the lack of quality on the videos, and some of the ones that are probably going to come out will continue to be, not very good. But I am starting to recover. I'm starting to feel more like myself. And very soon I will get back out there and I will start doing more videos. And hopefully, things go back to normal very soon. And yeah, we'll just get back to the type of content that I normally put out. Which probably isn't, the highest quality anyway, but it'll still be better than what I have kind of had and what's probably coming out soon. So stay tuned, guys. Don't think that I've gone anywhere, and please don't unsubscribe and forget about me, because I am going to get back to this very, very soon. Until then, hopefully you all will have a Merry Christmas and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.